Mr. Kelsey, the engine's ready for painting.
I'm busy. Only me.
It's 1:43.
Not that funny. Right, so today, controversially, we're going with a black power unit. I just thought it would look good. Pan the camera down. I don't know, it's just, I just think that a black engine would just shine. So, I've masked all the bits up here. I'm going to be polishing. I'm going to polish that because I had an SS50 when a couple of years ago. I had an SS50 and I polished that, and I polished that, and I polished the inlet with Solvol Autosol. That's Solvol Autosol, and I'm going to polish that bit there. And we just got off the shelf heat-resistant black paint. Doesn't need a primer. I've prepped a couple of little scratches there. And air blasted it with brake fluid cleaner for a complete change. Right, so let's have a go, shall we? Oh, there you go. Right. Check mouthwash. Oh, some of my bike. It'll be alright. Black speckles, black speckles. Here we go then. Controversial. Oh, it's too late now. Wow, this is gonna look great. Stay there, I'll come round. Make the seat pink going here. Black plug. Oh, I know, some of you purists, you'll be screaming at the screen now going, no, don't do it! I've done it. So I'm just going to do the top. Going to do the top.
Yeah, underneath.
And then when it's dried, we'll flip it over. Note to self, put oil dipstick back in, and let's see what the finished result looks like. So instead of sitting in front of the television set watching the Waltons with some Solvol Autosol, which I did with my SS50, I've found a replacement tool. Let's give this baby a go, and this is all while I'm waiting for the paint to dry. The polish. Here we go. Yeah, baby. That's gonna come up sparkling. Where's me mist stuff?
2 hours later.
The third coat that's gonna go on there. I've got a little heater on, just warming the paint. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get a set of pack of Allen key bolts, hexi bolts are they called?
Allen key's good.
Allen key bolt, yeah. So this is what a standard one looks like. There. And what our Tony's going to do is get them on the lathe and just take the top and take the edge off. And it just makes them look so much better. So they're going to be on there, on the matte black. And cue drum roll, please. Oh yeah. Look at that.